Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum Math Grade 2 Quarter 1 Lesson 2 Day 4. Our topic for today is about composite figures. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. Describe the change in the position of the basic shape and figure after a multi-step slide and/or flips are performed, and draw the position of a basic shape or figure after a multi-step slide and/or flip is performed. Determine whether the foot slides, flips, or both, and in which direction. Pattern number 1. Here's the reference figure. Slide to the right 3 times. Pattern number 2. Here's the reference figure. Flip downward, slide to the right, flip upward. Pattern number 3. Here's the reference figure. Flip downward, flip to the right, flip upward. Pattern number 4. Here's the reference figure. Flip to the right 3 times. These patterns are from frieze patterns, usually used in arts and designing buildings. In today's lesson, you will practice the multi-step slide and/or flips. Multi-step means many steps. They can slide many times, flip many times, or combine slide and flip to move the shape to its new position. Trace the cutout in the middle of the grid. Task 1, first member, slide the cutout 1 cell to the left. Slide it again 1 cell to the left and trace the cutout in its new position. Here's the answer. Task number 2. Second member, flip the cutout upward. Flip it upward and trace the cutout in its new position. Answer. Task number 3. Third member, flip the cutout to the right, slide it 3 cells to the right, and trace the cutout in its new position. Answer. Task number 4. Fourth member, slide the cutout 1 cell downward. Slide it again 2 cells downward, flip it downward and trace the cutout in its new position. Answer. The final drawings should look like this illustration. Observe the cutout. Number 1, draw the illustration below on the grid. First position and second position. The half circle flips downward, then slides 2 cells downward. The half circle slides 2 cells downward and flips downward. The half circle flips 3 times downward. You can reverse the movements to move the shapes to their new position. For instance, if they flip first and then slide, the reverse would be slide first and then flip. Activity number 3, sliding and flipping of figures. Draw the figures to their new position following the given movements. Number 1, flip the rectangle to the right and slide it 1 cell to the right. Answer. Number 2, slide the circle of 3 cells to the left and flip it to the left. Answer. Number 3, slide the triangle 2 cells downward, slide it again 1 cell downward, and flip it downward. Answer. Let's answer the following questions. What is the difference between flip and slide? Answer. A slide changed only the position of the figure but didn't change the appearance. A flip involves turning the shape over in a specified direction to create a mirror image. What is the difference between one-step and multi-step? Answer. One-step has only one step while multi-step has 2 or more steps. What is the difference between one-step and multi-step slide or flip? Answer. They can slide many times, flip many times, and combine slides and flips in a multi-step process, whereas previous lessons involves only a single step, either a slide or a flip. Assessment number 4. Write one possible movement of the shape from its first position to the second position. Complete the sentence by writing the movement done with the shape. Number 1, the half circle. The half circle slides 3 cells to the right and flips to the right and reverse. It is not possible to move it by only sliding it many times or only flipping it many times. Number 2, the triangle. It is not possible to move it by only sliding it many times. The triangle slides 2 cells downward and flips downward or reverse. The triangle flips 3 times downward. Part 2. Do the following. Flip the triangle downward. Slide it 3 cells downward. Slide it again 1 cell downward. And draw the triangle in its new position. And here's the figure that you need to use. Answer. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.